போயிடுச்சு.
A project title, a DVR built with a 7-level cascade asymmetric multi-level converter. Now let's see the abstract of the project. The power quality in distribution system is principally affected by the pollution introduced by the customers. It is necessary to protect the sensitive loads from disturbance such as sag, swell and voltage imbalances. The actual solution for this case is to employ a dynamic voltage restorer device. The use of multi-level inverter in medium voltage application is a good solution. In particular, the cascaded asymmetric multi-level converter appears as a very alternative among the 7-level converter for this application. The design of CAMC as a DVR in medium voltage distribution power system is presented in this project. Now let's see the equipments in this. This is the transmission line which consists of capacitance and inductor, and this is the inductive load, and these are the switches. We have 8 switches. Since we are using asymmetric technique, we are using 8 switches. Then this is the PIC microcontroller we are using, and this one is the driver circuit, and these are all the transformers which are used to supply the input to these circuits. Next is the operation. The DVR has 2 modes of operation, which are standby mode and boost mode. In normal condition, the dynamic voltage restorer operates in standby mode. However, during disturbances, nominal system voltage will be compared to the voltage variation. This is to get the differential voltage that should be injected by the DVR in order to maintain supply voltage to the load within limits. The amplitude and phase angle of the injected voltage are variable, thereby allowing control of the real and reactive power exchange between the dynamic voltage restorer and the distribution system. The DC input terminals of a DVR is connected to an energy storage device of appropriate capacities. As mentioned, the reactive power exchange between the DVR and the distribution system is internally generated by the DVR without AC passive reactive components. The real power exchange at the DVR output AC terminal is provided by the DVR input DC terminal by the external energy source or energy storage system. Moreover, since the device is connected in series, there are conduction losses which can be minimized by using the integrated gate commutator thyristor IGCT technology in the inverters.